Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 8, Python Tuples. A tuple is an ordered collection of elements, similar to a list, but immutable. Tuples are defined using parentheses in Python. Tuples can store elements of various types. You create a tuple by placing elements inside parentheses separated by commas. Tuple elements are accessed using indexes starting from 0. Negative indices access elements from the end. Tuples support operations like concatenation using plus and repetition using star. These create new tuples because tuples are immutable. Tuples are faster and protect data from accidental modification. They are commonly used for fixed data and multiple return values from functions. This diagram shows how tuples are created, accessed, and used in operations before the program ends. Here is an example showing tuple concatenation and printing the result. When this code executes, it prints the combined tuple as output. This example creates a tuple of 4 numbers and prints it. The output of example 1, creating and printing a tuple is as follows: 10, 20, 30, 40. Here, we access the first element using index 0 and the last element using -1. The output of example 2, accessing tuple elements is as follows: apple, cherry. This example concatenates 2 tuples using the plus operator to create a new tuple. The output of example 3, tuple operations is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, the tuple elements are repeated 3 times using the multiplication operator. The output of example 4, repetition of tuples is as follows: A, B, A, B, A, B. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a tuple of 5 integers and print it. Use parentheses to define the tuple and call print to display all elements. Exercise 2. Access and print the second and fourth elements of a tuple. Use indexing with positions 1 and 3 to print both elements. Exercise 3. Concatenate 2 tuples and print the new tuple. Use the plus operator to join the tuples and call print to show the result. Exercise 4. Repeat a tuple 3 times and print the result. Use the multiplication operator with the tuple and print the repeated output. Exercise 5. Create a tuple containing mixed data types and print each element separately. Use a for loop to iterate through the tuple and print every value. Thank you for watching episode 8. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.